Don Duflousseau, the Director of Research, Don Duflousseau, Director of Research Technology Services for George Washington University. We are the team lead on the PA 2040 Environmental Sensing Action Cluster as part of the Smarter DC Super Action Cluster. So what our role is in this is aggregating sensing information from across the city on the Karen network. Karen is a research and education on-ramp to Internet 2, which is kind of the backbone of research across the United States with major institutions. So one of the things that we're working on is to establish sensing hubs across Washington, D.C. at most of the major research universities. So that would be George Washington, Georgetown, Howard University, UDC, Children's Hospital, and American University. They're all on the Karen network. So we're part of the Metro Lab agreement, or the network with Washington, D.C., and the work we're doing is particularly related to environmental sensing involved in transportation, utilities, and public health around research and education, as well as big data analytics. My group operates the Karen network, which is a capillary advanced research and education network, and we run a high-performance computing cluster called Colonial One. This is the analytics and networking backbone that is really kind of the aggregator of big data science across the city. We work very closely with DCNet, which is out of the Office of the Chief Technology Policy in DC. So our role here, again, is working to, as kind of a matchmaker between researchers at these different research institutions and the agencies in DC. So that's where the Metro Lab agreement comes in. It helps us to kind of broker partnerships. And as well, we've developed some NSF-funded advanced networking capabilities and technologies that provide for kind of a research platform and a data sharing platform for researchers at all these schools to be able to work on applications, to work on policies, to work on training programs that kind of span these three core areas that have been stated to be important to Mayor Bowser, and that's, again, transportation, utilities, and public health. And so we are working with Mamta Sudhakumar and Scott Pomeroy and a few of the others on these downtown DC and through Octo, as far as our partnership around how GW can participate and support the Global Cities Team Challenge work that's being done in Washington, DC.